Hi and welcome back. My name is Marta from Cooking the Word, and we help people who like to eat, cook and travel to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food. In this video we would like to show you the Frankfurt Green Sauce recipe, which is one of the famous Frankfurt dishes and also my personal favorite one. The green sauce is served cold and it contains 7 herbs: cress, chives, parsley, sorrel, chervil, borage and salad burnet. The base of the sauce make sour cream and eggs. The sauce is spiced with salt and pepper, lemon and sugar. We are not sure here where the Frankfurt green sauce recipe came from, but it certainly wasn't invented by Goethe's mother, because Catherine Elisabeth Goethe never had a cooking spoon in her hand. The green sauce is served traditionally with boiled eggs, but you can also have it with schnitzel or with a cooked beef topside. So without further ado, let's just get into cooking.
So first we're gonna wash the herbs and remove the stems. After this, we will put the herbs through the meat grinder. Of course, traditionally, the herbs were cut in very small pieces, but, well, it's easier this way. Grinding the herbs might be sometimes harder than you think. So I'm putting as well some eggs and sour cream to make the process go smoother. After all this is done, I will combine the mixture with sour cream, lemon juice, salt and a little bit of sugar. And at this point our green sauce is done. You can serve it with cooked potatoes, eggs, meat or fish. Don't forget to store it in the fridge for 3 days or freeze it.
And before we say goodbye, I would like to ask you, what is your favorite sauce that you serve with meat or anyhow? Please let us know in the comments down below. If you are interested in Frankfurt's cuisine or you coming to Frankfurt, I would recommend you to watch 2 of our videos. The first video explains all the 9 specialties from Frankfurt, and the other one shows 6 sausages that you have to eat here. I hope you're gonna have fun watching them. I wish you all a happy week, and I see you in the next one. Bye!